You can also use your phone, but it's easier to use your system to access the platform. So you go to your Chrome browser, then you type TikTok business. Type TikTok business. So you type this TikTok business, you can see it. So it will bring options out for you on your Chrome browser. It will bring options. So you see TikTok for business, create an ad in minutes. So that is the one you choose. So you see TikTok for business.
Come in. Let me
Create an ad
circulate.
in minutes. So you also have TikTok Business Center. You can use that one.
Let me circulate.
So you can use that one too. So you can use TikTok Business Center to. I'll circle it now. I'll circle it. Can you see it? Can you see it now? So that is what I've circled there. So we are going to open that TikTok Business Center now. So we open it. So we open it. We now look for create account. So in this login, in this area, you now see where to log in. You log in with your Gmail account or phone number that you use to open your TikTok account. You log in with your Gmail account or your phone number which you use to open your TikTok account. You also log in with your TikTok password. You log in with your TikTok password. So my own is saved, so I will log in. So it will ask you to do some security check, look for letters that look alike. So you do your security check, then normally it should log you in. If it doesn't log you in, so you have to use another option. Like now, it's not logging me, or you say username or password doesn't match our record. So try again. So we are using another option. So I'll show you another option we can use. Let's go to, although me, I've saved the TikTok site on my phone, so I can use the site that I've saved. So I'll go to the site I've saved. So this is the site I saved here now, TikTok Ads Manager. So I'll click on it. So normally it should take me to my site, but if it doesn't take me, what I'll do is I'll just click on log into account or access account. There's an option there you see on the screen. So now in this case, I'm still seeing enter email and password. I will not choose that. I'll use login with TikTok. So I'll use login with TikTok. That is the second option. So login with TikTok. I've logged in with TikTok before. If you have not logged in with TikTok, so you connect your TikTok with a scanner, code scanner. So you just connect your TikTok. There's a way you connect it, so it will log you in. So me, I've connected it before, so that is why it opened my account easily. So it has opened my account now. So this is my TikTok ad manager. So I have Victor Yeko. So I open the ad manager account. I've clicked on Victor Yeko now. So it will take me to my ad manager now, my account where I will create my ad. So now we have the account here now. So we have the account here now. So I will look for create account. You just scroll down a bit. So I'll scroll down a bit. So I'll scroll down a bit. So I'll look for create ad. I'll look for create ad. So I've seen create ad here. I'll circle it. So that's create ad. So you click on it. You click on it. So when you click on this, it will take you to where you set up your ad. So it will also ask you to select the account you want to use. So I'll select the account and confirm. So now I'm now where I will set up my ad. I'm now where, so it will ask me to select advertising objective. So I'll choose my objective. You can choose traffic, you can use video views, you can choose community interaction, and so on and so forth. So it depends on the objective you want to achieve. You can also choose app promotion, lead generation, but I will choose lead generation. I'll choose lead generation. So now that I've selected lead generation, it has other options. So we also have sales ad too. So I'll choose lead generation. So we'll go up. So now in lead generation, you can achieve a lot. Website, instant form, TikTok direct message, instant messaging apps, different options. So you have different options under lead generation. So we choose lead generation. I'll now start the options we want now. So we set up our hat now. The first thing is you choose your campaign name. You choose your campaign name. So that use catalog, you don't need it. You can ignore it. You don't need it. So you just go to your campaign name straight. You go to your campaign name. You can see it says promote car inventory on Bodo. So we don't need that. So we go to campaign name. So we set a campaign name just the way we do it on Facebook ad. So in Facebook ad too, we have a campaign name on the first stage. So I'll use Victor Ads campaign for this. Sorry for that. I'll use Victor Ads campaign for this campaign name. So you have budget strategy. You can use automatic campaign budget, or you use custom ad budget. I prefer custom because you can easily set your ad budget with custom. So you use custom. So you create efficient budget and bidding settings for each ad group. So that is custom ad budget. So we continue. So this create split test is just like ABC test that we have, A/B test that we have in Facebook, but it's optional. You can use it if you have two ads you want to test, but we are not using that. So we ignore this. So we ignore this create split test. We ignore this create split test. It's just like testing two ads. So let's go to the next one. We go to the next thing on the ad. you don't need to, like I said, you don't need to use the create speed. So you just continue, click on continue to go to the next stage of the ad. So let's continue. We are now on the second stage of the ad now. So like this one too, you set up your ad here too. We have finished the campaign stage. So you set up the name of the ad, the name of this ad setup here. Then you go to the other setup. Sorry, my screen is not showing full. Just let me adjust it. It's showing the only this other side. Let me cancel this other side here. Sorry, the other side here. Maybe if you access your own account, you will see what I'm setting up. I'm trying to adjust this screen to make you see the what's on the left side, but I'm still having a challenge. But on this setup, you see various options here where you set up your ad. Uh, you choose the audience and everything. So let me see. I'm still adjusting it. Hold on. So you choose your daily budget here as well. Choose your daily budget here. I'm coming. Why is this thing not showing full screen? So you choose when you are charged for your ad. I'm coming. It's not showing the full screen. Okay, I've got it now. Good. I've got it now. So I think this is it. This is what I'm talking about. So we have the deep funnel optimization. That is, in this case, I'm using um, landing page. So that's why we have Victor Pixel. I've chosen Victor Pixel. Victor Pixel is my name of my landing page, and my optimization event is click button. Click button. So that is it. So now I choose bid strategy, which is the I choose target cost per result. Cost per result. I can also choose highest volume. I can also choose highest volume. So um my target cost, I set it at 120 naira 41 kobo. I can adjust it if I like. I can adjust it. So that means the cost per action or cost per lead I'm targeting can be 150 naira or less than. So I want a least or lower cost per lead. So all these things you can set it here. You can set it up here while setting up your ad. So we set up the daily budget. I'm using 3.5 daily budget, as you can see. 3.5 daily budget. So schedule. This schedule is very important. If you want to do your schedule, just set the start date. Don't set end date. If you set end date and time, if that ad perform, you can't use it again. So that is why ad is all about knowing how to set it up properly such that when a ad is performing, you can go back to it and use it to generate more lead. But if you are using end date on your ad, that means if the ad is performing, once you have exhausted the money on that ad, you can't use it again. So it's important you don't set a date, just set start date alone. So we now go to audience settings. So we have done, please, sorry, I skipped the audience settings. Try to master how to set up your audience because my system is giving me issue. So I had to skip it. So please, if you have issues with audience settings, chat me up. And other settings I skipped. So, but these things are not hard. If you know how to run Facebook ad, you should know how to do this. Now, at this point, I'm going to put my web page link. I'm going to put my web page link here. And I'll now preview the link. So I'll preview the link. So I'll preview the link to check if it is performing. So sorry, I've skipped some things because of time. If my system is actually hanging, so if you have any challenge after going through the video, just screenshot where you have the challenge and send it to me. I will guide you. I'm still going to do a full video when my system is okay. So I'll still do a full video. But for now, I'm having some challenges, and I think this it should give you a guide or a clue into how or on how you can set up your ads on TikTok Ad Manager. So this will give you a clue. So it's just to guide you. So I'll put my um what is it called, landing page link here. Then I don't know if I've skipped where to put your ad creative. I don't know. Let me see. So this is where I put my web page link. So okay, this is where you put your ad creative asset. So you add existing. So if you have existing video on TikTok, you can select it. But my existing video is not playing. It's not playing. So you can actually add manually. So you add a new one. So you can use create a new video. The second option, create a new video. So you can use the second option to put a new video. So when you put your video, you don't need product name, you don't need all those product image, you don't need all that. So once you have set up all the other information, so for TikTok event tracking is optional. So third party tracking, if you are using Shopify and everything, you can put them there. So they are optional. They are optional. So you can leave them or put, if you have tracking URL, you can use that to track your lead. So you can use that to track your lead. After everything, if you have set up everything, you click on publish. You click on publish all. You click on publish all. You click on publish all. So once you publish all, your ad will be published, and TikTok publish your ad or approve your ad within few minutes. It doesn't take 1 hour. It doesn't even take 20 minutes. Few minutes it would have been published. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you chat me up. Thank you all.